How to restore WhatsApp messages on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can restore WhatsApp messages on Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So the best method to restore your WhatsApp messages on your Android device is to restore from your Google Drive backup if you had backups enabled. Now what you can do is, first of all, you have to uninstall and reinstall the WhatsApp. First of all, uninstall the WhatsApp application. Once you uninstall successfully, now open up Play Store, search for WhatsApp and then reinstall the WhatsApp. Once you reinstall it, open up WhatsApp, then you have to use the same number that you have used during backup in order to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to restore your data. There, tap on Restore button. Now WhatsApp will detect your Google Drive backup and again tap on Restore to begin the recovery process. After that, you have to wait for the restore to complete. After the complete restore, then tap on Next to finish your setup. So that is the way to restore your WhatsApp data or messages from your Google Drive backup if enabled. And that's it. That's all for today's video and hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.